think that is recording. Hi, I'm OJ Borg, best known for being on Radio 2 between midnight and 3. So the first thing of an evening is trying to wrangle the kids into bed. Then depending on how long that's taken, I get to sit on the sofa and watch a bit of TV. Around about 9:30 when it hits that time, I will grab a coffee just to really start my day with a caffeine kick. And then it's time to grab my foldy friend, my Brompton bike, and head out the door. Just left the house, the Brompton is ready to go. It's time to head into the studios. People tend to ask me why I ride in at that time of night. Well, the reason is it gives me mental clarity because life's busy, family life and getting the kids to bed and just being around in this world. I jump on that bike and as I head in, everything just feels fresher and clearer. So this is Albert Bridge, just crossing the Thames, or at least I will do when I go that way, heading into the city. So getting towards it, it's just a wonderful bridge. It's one of those romantic moments when you live in London and you see all these bits and bobs. Yeah, it's a nippy night, but it's dry. Like loads of people, I have no time in my life now to get out on leisure rides. So this half an hour, being able to get that heart rate up on the Brompton is just fabulous. When I finally arrive at the studios with a healthy glow on my face, one of the great things about the Brompton is the fact that I can fold it up and take it in with me into the studio without the security guards giving me any hassle. Made it into work just in time because it started to rain, so that is what's known as a good time to stop and get on with the show. Hi, I'm OJ Borg, fresh from my ride in. This part of the night is what we like to call the big hours in radio. I hope you enjoy the songs I've got for you this morning. And that's it. We're done. Thank you so much for being part of the show. I'll be back same time tomorrow. I hope you enjoy the rest of your morning. And that is my show done. I mean, the weather's not brilliant, but still, it's gonna be a nice ride home. One of the great things about heading home at 3 o'clock in the morning is you see all the sights you wouldn't normally see during the day. You see wildlife, you see people, these people of the night. It is just a wonderful, wonderful journey. And you know, that ride home, it just clears my mind. It's like, I don't know, emptying the bathwater out of my mind, so I'm just ready when I get home to jump in bed.